Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Now I'll get to your gas prices in a moment, but let's start off with some news on consumer confidence. More Jamaicans felt business conditions would get better going forward compared to the end of 2022. The latest consumer confidence survey found that in the October to December quarter in 2022, only 31% of the 600 respondents felt business conditions would improve. Head of Market Research Limited, Don Anderson, says the percentage, however, increased for the 2023 survey.
To the fourth quarter of 2023, the number of consumers who currently feel that business conditions are going to get better rose from 24.6% to 35.3%. So we're bearing in mind that this is the Christmas period. This is the last quarter of the year, and all kinds of things are happening. People are expectant.
Now, the survey found that 48% of consumers were of the view that business conditions would remain the same. 16.2% thought they would get worse. Now, to those gas prices, they're gonna go up effective tomorrow, which means after primetime news, you may want to head to the gas station. Now, a litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for 25 cents more. Diesel will increase by $3.05. Ultra-low sulfur diesel will go up by $3.04 per litre. Kerosene will cost $3.06 more. Propane will be up $2.50, while butane will increase by $1.95. Each gas station will make these adjustments to their prices, which include a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. The RJ Aglina Communications Group says it will deploy additional transmitters for the rollout of its next-generation TV system. The group, of which this station is a member, says in addition to the transmitters erected in Kingston and Montego Bay, other sites will be added this year. At the end of the ATSC 3.0 deployment, the company says 14 transmitters should be installed island-wide. The RJ Aglina Communications Group says it expects to have the next-gen TV signals reaching about 60% of the local population in 2024. Television Jamaica, that source station, was the first channel in Jamaica to adopt the government-mandated digital broadcast standard ATSC 3.0 in January 2022. This was part of the mandatory digital switchover DSO and analog switch-off process. This positioned Jamaica to be the third country in the world to broadcast on the new standard behind South Korea and the USA. Now, the RJ Aglina Communications Group says it plans to spend about $1.5 billion on DSO. TVJ, TVJSN, JNN, and RETV are currently on the new free-to-air system. 5 rated channels will also be added this year. To the foreign currency market now, trading ended with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $156.28. The Canadian dollar is going for $116.81. The pound is selling for $198.82, while the euro is trading for $173.36. And to the stock market, the JSE index gained 237 points today, while the junior market index went up by 18 points. Among the 34 winners were AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Iron Rock Insurance, Lasco Distributors, MFS Capital Partners, and ISP Finance Services. The 46 losers included Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica, Knutsford Express Services, Berger Paints Jamaica, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, and iCreate. 23 stocks closed the session at the same price they started trading this morning. And that is it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.